How to create a free website using Wix. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can create your very own website using Wix. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to wix.com, and this is how the website looks like. And straight up, what I want you guys to do is just simply sign up. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and sign in over here using this button on the top right corner, or you can go ahead and click on get started if you want to sign up. So I've already had an account. I'm just simply going to go ahead and sign in. And once you have signed up, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Now, for me, I've already created a website, but for you, it might be different. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the create a new website section. So for you, you'll be greeted by this page. So over here, you can go ahead and search for different types of websites. So online stores, portfolios, blogs, technology company, whatever. Depending upon the sites you choose, depending upon which type of site you're going to create, it is going to recommend you those types of websites. So for me, I work on a YouTube channel. So let's just say we want to create a YouTube channel website, something like that. So as you can see, once I searched for YouTube, so we have YouTube tech channel, YouTube gaming channel, YouTube site, personalities, educational channel, cooking videos, and dance videos. So let's just say that ours is focused on the gaming aspect of YouTube. So let's say YouTube gaming channel. This is the type of website that I'm trying to create. Simply click on next, and then you will have two options in front of you. So you can go ahead and create your own website using the editor that Wix provides, which is a very excellent editor. You can let the Wix ADI create a website for you, which is an artificial intelligence software that uses Wix artificial intelligence software used by Wix to create different websites for you. So it is much easier to do that, but if you want to have full control over your website, to change every ounce of the way, then I would suggest you go ahead and click on edit a template. But if you just want to create a site and get on with it, then you can go ahead and start now. Now remember, if you click on start now, they'll basically ask you a couple of questions and they'll recommend a website for you. I'm going to show you both ways actually. So I'm going to go ahead and click on start now. So over here, what is the name of your website? You can go ahead and enter in the name of your website. Let's just say that it is RKS Gaming, and over here they will import the content and copy paste your link. So you can go ahead and add in the existing website if you have one, or you can go ahead and click on Google Places. If you don't, you can go ahead and skip this question. So over here, you can add in your logo, your name, your email address, phone number, and etc. And once everything is done, you can go ahead and click on next. Then you will have a couple of themes. So you can see you have this theme in front of you. Check the color scheme will match depending upon which type of website you choose. So I think this one looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and use bounce for now and click on continue. Now over here, you will have to pick your favorite homepage. Now, depending upon the type of homepage you'll choose, it'll choose that type of website for you. Now, as you can see, we have three options in front of us. We can use either this design or this design or this design. I think that this design looks pretty good, so I'm going to use this one. Now you can go ahead and add pages to your website. These are the type of pages that they're going to ask you about. So we have about section, we have videos, we have contact forms, we have quotes, we have Instagram, and we have a blank page that we can add anything we want to. I think that an about page is pretty nice to have. We'll go ahead and add that, and we would also like to have a showcase of videos that we produce, so we would also like to have that type of page. And then we can go ahead and add a Instagram page as well to people to subscribe to our Instagram for short content as well. And once you have that, just simply click on edit site. Now, as you can see over here, it'll add some of the pages to your website, and then they'll add the final touches, and there you go, your website is ready for you. Now you can go ahead and change some of the aspect, like you can change the background of this image over here, this page, and then you can go ahead and change this page. I don't think that this page is necessary, so we can go ahead and delete this page. Actually, get in touch section is out, and then we have this one. What we can do now is we can go ahead and add a section to our pages or add another page. So I'm going to go ahead and add another page over here. I'm going to choose videos, and I'm going to choose type of videos I want. So even though I edited it before, but I think they added it, I think this one looks pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and add this one. And over here, as you can see, it's working on it. Wait a couple of seconds, and then your page is going to be added. So this is the page that, so we have these pages over here. So we have the home page, so we have the about page, and we have the videos as well, and then we have another video. Actually, these are pages. What we can do is we can change these into sub pages, so we can add section to the pages. I think section would be much better. So let's just go ahead and add another section to our page, and then remove the other pages. So we can go ahead and add the video section to our channel, to our website. Click on it. Here we'll have a selection of videos over here. As you can see, this is how it will look like. Now let's go ahead and add another section to our page. And over here, what I want to add is basically an Instagram feed. So I'm going to go ahead and add this section, and I think it's basically done. Now we can go ahead and change some of the aspects. We can change the design. Like over here, we can change the title, the text of it. We can change the background, and we can change the templates over here. We link other videos to these videos over here in the video section, and we can link our own Instagram account over here in the Instagram section as well by just simply clicking on this section and clicking on settings, clicking on design. And over here, as you can see, we have some designs aspects over here that we can choose whichever design aspect that we want, or we can come over here and we can edit the section and manage videos and stuff like that. Like, it's pretty simple. However you want to choose whichever one you want, it depends upon you. So if I click on settings, we can go ahead and connect the Instagram account by clicking on this button over here. And once you do that, our Instagram is going to be connected over to our website, and it'll show just like this one over here in the image. Same goes with videos. If I click on manage, it'll open up the video section over here where we can upload or link other videos to this page. So over here we have video library. We can go ahead and add our own video over here. As you can see, we can upload videos which can be 50 gigabytes max per video, so we can drag or drop them over here, or just connect our Dropbox Google Drive account over here, or we can add and embedded any YouTube video, Vimeo video, or Facebook video over here as well. And once we've done that, those videos will be highlighted in this section over here, and that is how you basically create a website using a Wix's ADI. And all you have to do is just simply click on publish and your website will be saved. Now let me show you how you can basically do all of this the other way by choosing the editing option, by creating a website from scratch. So over here, first I chose this option, and that is how you basically edit those websites with this option. Now let me go ahead and click on edit a template, and over here, as you can see, we have several different templates. Now let me go ahead and search for a template over here. If I come over here and search for YouTube, let's go ahead and search for YouTube gaming channels. We can see we have a couple of different websites over here. Now over here, as you can see, we have much different, much more better looking websites than we had in the other ADI section. That is because that is simple. These are much more different. So I think this one looks pretty good. Let me go ahead and view this website. Let me just click on view full demo. So as you can see, it is much better actually. So this website looks really good. I think we're gonna go ahead and edit this one. So let's go ahead and come over here and just simply click on edit this website. And over here, once the website is loaded, this is how the editor looks like. It's very simple, just like the before one, but it has a little bit more options. So now if you want to change the background, you can go ahead and change it, but I think the background is fine because it has that gaming vibe to it. Plus it has some moving particles and effects over it, which looks really cool. So I think we're going to go ahead and keep it. What we can change is the name and the fonts. So all you have to do is just select the text and just simply click on edit text. And over here, you can go ahead and change the fonts. Over here, as you can see, we have themes. We can change the heading to heading 4, heading 3, change the font to whatever you want, and we can change the font size. We can make it bold, italic, underline it. We can even change the color of the fonts, and we can even change the alignment of the fonts, and we can add some different effects as well. So over here, we can add a fading effect. We can add some shadows. I think shadows looks pretty good because it makes them pop. We'll go ahead and choose shadows, and we'll just go ahead and close that off. So I don't know if you can recognize this, but there's a tiny little shadow over here underneath these text, which I can see, but I don't know if you can't see them or not. And then over here, we can add some other pages as well. So let's go ahead and click on add over here. And over here, let's go ahead and add a page over here as well. So we get over here underneath menus, we can see we have menus and pages. So we have forms, events, and stuff like that. Go ahead and add some. Here we have text. We have gallery. I think gallery would be much better to showcase all of our gaming experience and stuff like that. So this is the Pro gallery over here. I think that this looks pretty good. This is the thumbnail one. This would look perfect. So once we click on it, it'll automatically place it over here. Have to do is just place it down below, add wherever we want. We can go ahead and change the height of it as well to at the final end of the website. We can go ahead and add it over here and just stretch it all the way over here, and this is how it will look like. So underneath our gaming, we'll have our gallery to showcase all of our gaming highlights, all of our gameplays and stuff like that. And then what we can add a new page by clicking over here, basically add a Stripe, but we don't want to add Stripe. What we want to add is something else, something interactive or a type of social. I think social would look pretty good. Social bar, Facebook, Twitter, whichever one you want. I think a social bar would be much better. So we have these types of icons, but I think that something like this would be much better, or something like this. Actually, this one looked pretty good. We'll just go ahead and add that, and we'll just move that over here. I can't really see it, so let me just go ahead and change the layout a little bit. So we have animations as well, but I can't really see it because they're black. So we'll just go ahead and delete that actually, and then we'll just simply add another one that isn't black. We'll just add, where did it go? In the interactives here, socials, we can add this one actually. We'll add these so we can see them as well. So we'll just go ahead and move the social bar down over here. Be pretty obvious by now, but I think this looks pretty good. We'll add the social bar over there. We'll just shrink the bar so that we can have a small separation. And now if we want to link them, all we have to do is click on get social links, and we'll have to choose Instagram. We'll just click on Instagram, and over here we have to add Instagram account, and we'll just click on done, and it'll take us to a page to our Instagram account. So that is it. Redirect anyone who clicks on the Instagram icon to our Instagram page, and that is basically done. Same with YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and stuff like that. And we can also delete them. So an icon, all I have to do is just hover my mouse over it and I click on the remove image icon. So I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to remove this one. So these are the 3 socials that I want. Just click on done, and as you can see, we have those 3 socials. Now all I have to do is just center align them, and that is basically it. That is how you basically, change things over onto this website using the editor. And that is basically it. You can change pretty much anything: the header, the background images, fonts, like you can change literally anything. You can link anything you want, and it's really, really easy, as you can see over here. Now that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.